The 4" or 100mm long Verum square is going to be absolutely spot on for doing work which is probably going to be, say, that 90 to 100mm in length, so we can match up. So if I were marking out the shoulders, make sure you're always putting your stock against the face side or the face edge. We could use a knife or a scalpel or a very sharp pencil for marking out our shoulders. We can also use it for checking that the timber is nice and square, perhaps off our shooting board, or if we've been hand planing it. We can use it for marking out again from our face side, face edge for any of our joints. But don't forget also you can use either the blade for checking how flat your joint is, or the stock of the square also to sit in there and also to bring up against the finished shoulder. Is it nice and neat? Is there any lumps and bumps you've left in the joint that just need that final tweaking with a chisel? Also the blade, if you've got something like this bridle joint, you can use that blade to down inside the bridle to make sure it's nice and flat inside there. If there's any bumps on there, you'll actually feel it rocking with your blade of your square. For this kind of size component, we've got a pair of twin tenons coming through. All these dovetails have been marked out. That's going to be the ideal size. Also, we'd use this perhaps on the table saw for checking our square on the table saw, maybe the fences on our bandsaw, any of those kind of sizes that we need around the workshop. That's in detail how to use that size square. If you want to check out the other uses on the individual squares, then follow those videos. If you want to buy our Verum squares, look at us at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and follow us on our social media channels.